Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 10 mensuration exercise 10.3. In this exercise, we know how to find area of rectangle, area of square. Okay. Uh, Exercise 10.3, question number 1. In question number 1, we have find the area of rectangle whose sides are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So here you can see the area of we find area of rectangle whose side is given here 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. This is the breadth of the rectangle and this is the length of rectangle. The greater side is length and the smaller side is breadth of the rectangle. So here you can write length of a rectangle. This is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, breadth of rectangle, breadth of a rectangle. This is equal to 3 centimeter. So area of rectangle is equal to area of a rectangle. This is equal to length into breadth. Okay, now so here you can see length is given 4 centimeter. This is equal to 4 centimeter into breadth is given 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. Length into breadth. This is equal to 4 3 ja 12. 4 3 ja 12 and centimeter into centimeter you can write it centimeter square. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understood this question, because in this question we need to find the area of square, area of rectangle. So formula of to find the area of rectangle is that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is given here 4 centimeter and the breadth is given here 3 centimeter. So you put this very length and the breadth 4 into 3. This is equal to 4 into 3, you know very well. This is equal to 12 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Clear? Now the B part of this question is that 12 meters and 21 meters. This is given. B part of this question 12 meter and 21 meter. Okay, so here this is 21 meter. Length, we represent length by L, so length is given 21 meter and breadth, we represent breadth by B, breadth is given 12 meter. Okay, so area of rectangle, area of rectangle, this is equal to length into breadth. Here you can see this is here L represent length and this is B represent breadth. So length is given here. What is length? 21 meter into breadth is also given and 12 meter. Okay, this is equal to 12 into 1, 12 carry 1, 12 to the 24, 24 plus 1, 25. This is equal to 25 meter into meter. This is equal to meter square. Okay. So in this way you can see here you find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B, where L represent length and B represent breadth of rectangle, and the length and the breadth of rectangle is given here 21 meters and 12 meters. So we put the value of L and B in this formula, then we obtain 21 meter into 12 meter. This is equal to 252 meter square. Meter into meter, meter into meter, this is equal to meter m power 2, or you can say meter square. Now next question, question number 2. Remaining part of this question you can do yourself, because each and every question is given length and breadth given, and you need to find area of the given rectangle. So I think all of you do it very easy way, and you can do yourself. Second question, find the square area of square whose sides are. Find the area of square whose side is given here 10 centimeter, 14 centimeter, and 5 centimeters. So what is the formula to find area of square? Area of square is equal to side into side. You can say square of sides. Okay. So let's see how to do this question. Question number 2, part A of question 2. Here side of square is given 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. So we know that area of square, area of square, this is equal to side into side. Okay. So here side is given 10 centimeter. So you can write here 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter is equal to hundreds. 100 centimeter square. Okay. Now B part of this question. B part of this question is that to find the area of square whose sides are 14 centimeter. Here side is equal to given side of a square is given. This is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, we need to find here area of square. So area of square is equal to side into side. This is equal to side is given here 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter. This is equal to 14 into 14, 196. You can do it like this. If you multiply 14 by 14, then we obtain 196, or you can do like this, 14 into 14. Okay, so 4 4 ja 16, carry 1, 4 1 ja 4, and 4 plus 1 5, 56. Again 1 4 ja 4, and 1 1 ja 1. 6, 5 plus 4 9, 1. So you can see here 14 into 14. If we multiply 14 by 14, then you obtain 196. So you can write here 196 centimeter square. So then I hope all of you understood how to find area of square and also how to find area of rectangles. Okay. This is clear. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 4, because in question number 3 also we find the area of rectangles and whose length and breadth are given. Okay, so we are going to find question number 4. Question number 4 है area of rectangle. The area of rectangular garden 50 meter long is 300 square meters. Okay, find the width of the garden. So here we have the length of rectangular garden is 50 meter and area of rectangular garden is 300 square meter. We need to find width or you can say breadth of the rectangular garden. So let's see how to do it. In this question number 4, length of garden is given. Length of a rectangular garden is given. This is given 50 meter. Okay, now second information also given, the area of rectangular garden, this is 300 square meter is also given. So you can write here area of a rectangular garden this is also given 300 meter square. Okay, now here we need to find the width or you can say breadth of rectangular garden. So you know very well, area of a rectangle is equal to area, A represent area and L into length into breadth. Length L represent to length and B represent to breadth, or you can say width of the garden. Okay, so if we have a length into breadth is equal to area, or you can write width or breadth B is equal to A by L. Okay, so width of garden is equal to, you can write width of rectangular garden this is equal to area of a rectangular garden by length of rectangular garden. Okay, now so area of rectangular garden is given 300 meter square. Okay, and the length of a rectangular garden is given 50 meter. Okay, so 1 0 1 0 cancel. We have here 30 1 meter cancel, 30 meter by 5. If you divide 30 by 5, then we obtain 6 meter. This is equal to 6 meter. So in this way you can say we obtain the width of a rectangular garden, which is 6 meter. 6 meter. How we find it? First we find what information is given about rectangular garden. So if you read this question, you find that the length of rectangular garden is given and also its area is given. So length of rectangular garden is 50 meter and area of rectangular garden is 300 meter square. But we have the relation between area and length and breadth is area of rectangular garden is equal to length into breadth, or you can write breadth of rectangular garden is equal to area of rectangular garden by length of rectangular garden. So here you can see this is relation between length, breadth and area. Okay, so we need to find breadth of the rectangular garden. So B is equal to A by L, or you can say in this question B represent wide of the rectangular garden. So wide of a rectangular garden is equal to area by length, and the area is given in this question 300 meters square, and the length is also given 50 meters. Then you divide 300 by 50, then you obtain 6 meters. So student, I hope all of you understood this question number 4, how to find breadth of any rectangular gardens when its area and length are given. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 5. Question number 5, what is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land 50 meter long and 200 meter wide at the rate of 8 rupees per 100 square meters. See in these questions, first the given the shape of plot. Shape of plot is rectangular shape, and length is given here 500 meters, and the breadth is also given 200 meters. Okay, and the rate of tiling is given here 8 rupees per 100 meter square. It means that rate of tiling is equal to rupees 8 by 100 meter square. So first we find the area of rectangular plot. After this we find the cost of tiling. Okay, so let's see how to find it. Now in this question we have length is given, length of rectangular plot is given. Okay, so question number 5 we can write here length of plot, a rectangular plot, a rectangular plot, length of a rectangular plot is given here 500 meter. This is plot is equal to 500 meters, and breadth also given, breadth of a rectangular plot, this is given 200 meter. Okay, so first we need to find area of a rectangular plot. So what is the area of rectangular plot? Area of rectangular plot we know very well, length into breadth. Okay, so first we find area of a rectangular plot. This is equal to length into breadth. Where L represents length of the rectangular plot and B represents breadth of the rectangular plot. Okay, so this is equal to, we can write here length is given 500 meters, into breadth is also given 200 meters. Multiply this, 5 to 10. After this how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write 4 0. Okay. So here meter into meter, this is equal to meter square. Okay. So in this way you can find here area of a rectangular plot is L into B, and the length is given here 500 meter and the breadth is given here 200 meter. So you can find 1 lakh meter square. This is area of a rectangular plot, which length is 500 meters and the breadth is 200 meters is given here. Okay. Now rate of tiling is given in these questions. Rate of tiling is given 8 rupees per 100 meter square. So here a rate of tiling given. Rate of tiling is here given in this question, uh, 8 rupees per 100 meter square. So you can write here rate of tiling is equal to rupees 8 per 100 meter square. It meter. This is given. Okay. Now we find the cost of tiling of a rectangular plot. So cost of tiling, of rectangular plot is, we have 1 lakh meter square. So 1 2 3 4 5 0 meter square into rupees 8 by 100 meter square. So first meter square cancel, after this 2 0 cancel. So you have only here 1000, okay, and 8000 into rupees 8. This is equal to 8000 rupees. 8000. Okay. So in this way you can see here we have the cost of tiling is 8000 rupees. In this question, if you read this question, so you obtain that this is given the length of a rectangular plot is 500 meters and the breadth of rectangular plot is 200 meters. Okay. Now we find the area of the rectangular plot, because in this question asked to us that what is the cost of tiling of rectangular plot. Okay. So first we find, and rate of tiling is given 8 rupees per 100 meter squares. Okay. So first we find the area of rectangular plot is length into breadth. Length is given 500 meters and the breadth is also given 200 meters. So in this way you find the area of a rectangular plot is 1 lakh meter square. Okay. And rate of tiling is also given rupees 8 per 100 meter square. So you need to find the cost of tiling. So cost of tiling is equal to area of rectangular plot into rate of tiling. So here this is the area of rectangular plot 1 lakh meter square, and this is the rate of tiling rupees 8 per 100 meter square. So meter square cancel here, and again 2 0 cancel, or you can divide the 1 lakh by 100, then we have 1000. Okay. So in next step we have 1000 into a rupees 8. So in this way we obtain 8000 rupees. This is a cost of tiling of a rectangular plot. Okay. Now I hope all of you understood this question, how to find the cost of tiling of rectangular plot if the length and the breadth are given, and with it rate of tiling is also given. Okay. So now we are going to discuss next question, question number 6. Question number 6 have a tabletop measure 2 meter by 21 centimeter. Okay. So here 2 meter is length of the tabletop, and 2 meter 1 meter 50 centimeter is the breadth of the tabletops. Okay. A tabletop measure 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the area in square meters? What is its area in square meters? Here length is given 2 meter and breadth is given 1 meter to 50 centimeters. Okay. So you can see this tabletop is the shape of rectangular shape. So we find the area of tabletop is equal to length into breadth. Length is given here 2 meters and breadth is given 1 meter 50 centimeter. So let's see how to do it. So you know very well the area of rectangular shape is length into breadth. The tabletop is also the shape of rectangle. So we find the area of tabletop. This is equal to length into breadth, and the length and the breadth is also given here. Okay. So length of tabletop. Question number, this is question number 6. Here given length of tabletop. This is equal to 2 meter. Okay, and breadth of tabletop is also given. Breadth of tabletop is also given here. This is a 1 meter 50 centimeter. You can write it 1 meter plus 50 centimeter. Okay, and first we convert 50 centimeter in 1 meter. So we have 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter in very well. You can write also 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Now after this we can write it 1 centimeter upon 1 by 100 meters. But we have 50 centimeters. So that is 50 centimeter. This is equal to 50 by 100 meters. Or you can write here 0.50 meters. 50 centimeter is equal to 0.50 meter. So you can write here 1 meter plus 0.50 meter. This is equal to 1.50 meters. Okay. So in this way you can see here we convert 50 centimeter in meter. This is equal to 0.50 meters. Then our total breadth is equal to 1.50 meters. Okay. So in this way you can see the breadth of the tabletop is 1.50 meters. Now you find the area of tabletop. Okay. So area of tabletop, area of tabletop is equal to length into breadth, length into breadth, length of tabletop into length of breadth of tabletop. So length of tabletop is given 2 meter into breadth of tabletop is also given 1.50 meters. If you multiply them, then you have 2 into 0. This is equal to 0. 5 to 10, carry 1. 2 1 5. 2 into 1 2. 1 carry. This is equal to 3. Decimal after 3 digit. You put here decimal. So meter into meter. This is equal to meter square and square meters. Okay. Student, I hope all have understood. You can write also this 3 meter square. 3.00 meter square means 3 meter squares. Okay. So in this question you can see the length of tabletop is 2 meter given and breadth of tabletop is also given 1 meter 50 second. 1 meter 50 centimeters. So first you convert. You can write 1 meter 50 centimeters equal to 1 meter plus 50 centimeters, and after this you convert 1 meter 50 centimeter in the meter. So we have that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, or 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meters, but we have 50 centimeters, so we can write 50 centimeter is equal to 50 upon 100 meters. So you can say 50 centimeter is equal to 0.50 meter. So we convert 50 centimeter is equal to 0.05 centimeter, then 1 plus 1 meter plus 0.50 meter is equal to 1.50 meters. Okay, this is our breadth. Okay, this is the breadth of tabletop, and we know that the area of tabletop is the rectangular shape, so area of rectangle is very you know that very well. Length into breadth, so area of tabletop is equal to length into breadth. Here length is 2 meters and the breadth is 1.50 meters, so 2 meter into 1.50 meters. If you multiply that, then you obtain 3.00 meter square or 3 meter square. So here you can see the area of tabletop is 3 meter square. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. So enough for today. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.